What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. We are gonna change it up for this video. I'm extremely excited because we are gonna be doing an unboxing. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead, share with you guys the Pokemon cards that I just bought. Now, I've been collecting Pokemon for a very long time, and recently I watched a video on my fellow YouTuber Andrzik and how he bought $220,000 in Pokemon cards. And guys, that's what got me searching, because at the end of the day, I used to collect Pokemon back in the day, and unfortunately, because we moved multiple times, I unfortunately cannot find my cards. I've looked everywhere. I've been looking for the last couple years, and guess what? Couldn't find them. So had to go ahead and buy myself a brand new set of Pokemon cards. I got this box in the mail. Yes, it is packaged in a prime box, but that's how the seller sold it. But we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys all the cards that I bought. Now, I spent less than $40,000 on these, but I'll tell you guys, these cards, these same exact cards, are going for over $40,000 currently on eBay. I bargained a little bit, so got it a little less than that. But I'm excited because I haven't opened this box yet, and I am gonna go ahead, open this box with you guys in this video. And plus, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how much some of these cards are worth as well. Now, the base set basically had 102 cards in it. There's 16 hologram cards, and the holographic cards are all PSA graded in the set that I just purchased, but they are PSA 8s. If these same holographic cards were PSA 10s, this set would easily go over $200,000. Let me go ahead and bring the box back up, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. Here we go. Let's open these for the first time. I am extremely excited for this. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring the camera closer as I open this so you guys can see all these cards. I've not done an unboxing before, so I apologize for any technical issues here. Alright, so here we go. I just took everything out of the box, and we are gonna go ahead and open all these packs. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys everything that's in these packs. Plus, we got the binder here with the rest of the cards. Now, before we open these, let's go ahead and just go through the binder first so I can share with you guys what's all in the binder, and then we will open up the 16 holographic cards that are all PSA graded, and I'll share with you guys how much those are worth individually. But here we go, guys. This is the cards. Oh boy, this is the first time I'm actually looking at these. Totally reminds me and takes me back when I used to go ahead and collect these cards, and you guys can't see them, so here we go. I'm gonna see if this works out better. But this is the first set, the 102 first base set of Pokemon. Got to be extremely cautious here. So here are some of the other cards. Now, these are all the non-holographic cards, but guys, these are all in mint condition. So extremely happy with all of these cards. I have been watching a lot of different auctions on these cards, and finally was able to go ahead and get my hands on these, because for a very long time these base sets were going well over $40,000, going into $80,000 to $100,000 for even a PSA 8 graded set. But guys, these are all the base cards that are in here. Extremely excited. I'm gonna take my time later and look at every single one of these cards. Like I said, I used to collect these at one point, so these are very close to my heart. But yeah, let's go ahead and now go into the PSA rated cards that have already been rated and that are all holos. Now, these are broken up into 4 different cards, it looks like, in every single one of these packagings. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the first one. All right, the first card we got here is gonna be Machamp. Now, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see that there. This is a Machamp it is rated by PSA and it is near mint to mint condition, so it is rated as an 8. Now with this card, I do want to go ahead and share with you guys how much these cards are worth. And if we look here on eBay right now, this card is going for by itself for about $1,000. Now some of these cards are not going to be worth a lot by themselves, but others in this set will be worth a lot more. But this is going to be the first card. I wish I had a place to like sit these on, but this is the first card here, guys. Now the next one is going to be Clefairy. Clefairy is another card that's in near mint to mint condition. This is the whole 1999 Pokemon collection. These were the first ever cards in Pokemon Go, and I apologize if there is a glare on the screen, but this is going to be the next card with Clefairy. Let's see how much this card is worth. And this one looks like on eBay, I didn't think it was going to be worth as much either, but it is worth around $400. And that's what it's selling for on eBay right now. So this is going to be the second card. Now jumping into the third one here. Ooh, I like this one. This is going to be Chansey. Now, Chansey is one of those cards, and I'm hoping the glare goes away here. Chansey is one of those cards that actually they did not make as many of. This is one of the cards that's actually worth a little bit more, and we'll find out right now how much this card's worth. But basically, because there was limited production of this card has a bit more value. And a non-holographic Chansey looks like it is going for right around $500 right now on eBay. Now, the next card, guys are going to be excited for this one because this is one of the biggest cards out there, and this card is actually worth the most in all of Pokemon, and this, guys, is with Charizard. Now Charizard, this is everybody's favorite card. I have a PSA 8 Charizard in near mint to mint condition. This card is probably going to be worth the most amount of money. Well, I know it's worth the most amount of money out of all the collection because I've done my research around this, and this card has a lot of hype around it. And if we go ahead and look at this card by itself, non-shadowless and not a first edition, is currently selling for around $4,000 on eBay by itself. So I do like this card, and if I could get my hands on a first edition or a shadowless of this card, that would be worth anywhere from $50,000 to over $120,000 for a PSA 10. But guys, this is the mother of all cards, the dragon of all cards, Charizard. Alright, so that was the first unboxing of the first 4 cards. Let's go ahead and look at what else we got here. We got some other exciting cards coming up as well. We got Venusaurs and we got Blastoise, and there's a bunch of other cards that we're gonna run through as well. Alright, but the next one here is gonna be Poliwrath. Poliwrath is another card that is holographic. With this card, this is also a PSA 8, and this is shadowless as well. And because this is a base card, it is going for right around $240. So not one of the most expensive cards out there. But let's go ahead and jump into the next one. This is another one of my favorites, and this is gonna be with Blastoise. Now, Blastoise is another one of those cards that I do believe will be worth a little bit more money as well, because this was one of the first 3 Pokemons and the first 3 evolutions out there. This is another PSA 8 card that is in near mint to mint condition. But with this card, guys, let's see how much this one is worth. With Blastoise, a PSA 8 currently is going for right around $1,000. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the next one. The next one here is gonna be Mewtwo. Mewtwo is another PSA 8 near mint to mint condition. I'm actually not sure how much this card goes for, and currently looks like this card is going for about $450. So not bad. I was not sure what this card would actually go for right now on the market. Now jumping into the next one. This one is one of my favorite dragons, and this is gonna be, well, yeah, this is a dragon, and this is gonna be with Gyarados. Now Gyarados, this is another PSA 8 card near mint to mint condition. Like I said, all these are holographic, but with this one, let's see how much this one is going for. And it looks like this one's going for about $220. This is another card. If this was actually a first edition, this would be worth a lot more. But hey, I love all of these cards, and it's bringing back memories. So I'm very, very happy for this set so far. Now let's see what else we got going on here. We got 4 more cards in here, and the first one that I see here is gonna be Raichu. But here we go. Raichu is the next card. This is another PSA 8 near mint to mint condition, and this is another holographic card with Raichu. Let's see how much this one is selling for. And it looks like this one is going for about $470 just for this Raichu. Now, jumping into the next one, we got Zapdos. Zapdos is one of the legendary birds. So this card is another PSA 8 and near mint to mint condition. And let's see what this card is going for. This card looks like it is currently going for about $195 on eBay right now, if I wanted to go ahead and sell this card. Now, we got 2 more cards in this collection. The next one is gonna be Nidoking, and this is another PSA 8 holographic card near mint to mint condition. Now we're gonna see how much this one is going for, and looks like this one is going for $130. Now the next one is gonna be Ninetales. Ninetales is another PSA 8 holographic card in near mint to mint condition, and let's go ahead and see what this one is going for. And this one looks like it is going for right around $100, so that was kind of what I was expecting with this Ninetales. Now let's go ahead and open up the final 4 holographic cards. Ooh, the first card I see here is pretty exciting. This one is gonna be with Hitmo Chan. Hitmo Chan is another PSA 8 card, and this is also another holographic card in near mint to mint condition, and we're gonna see what this one is going for. And it looks like this one is going for right around $130 for this Hitmo Chan. Now the next 3 cards, we only got 3 left here. The next one is gonna be Magneton. Now Magneton is another holographic card. It is a PSA 8 in near mint to mint condition. And just looking at this one is actually going for right around $300. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the final 2. The final 2, we got Venusaur next. Venusaur, another one of the 3 starter Pokemon. And this one is actually another PSA 8 holographic card near mint to mint condition. And let's see what this one is running for right now. And it looks like right now this is going for right around $1,000 US. So this is another one of my favorite cards in this pack or in the base set. Now finally guys, we got Alakazam. Alakazam, another holographic card, and this is going to be the final card, another PSA 8, and this is a near mint to mint condition. And this card by itself, let's see how much the PSA 8 is going for. And it looks like this one is going for right around $400. But guys, this is gonna be all the cards that I just bought and the collection that I just bought. If these were PSA 10s, this collection would be worth a ton more. But hey, I am happy with PSA 8s, and I'm very excited for this collection. Now next, I'm gonna have to go ahead, and it's probably extremely hard to go ahead and see, but next, my goal is gonna be to go ahead and find a place to go ahead and hang these. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is something that I'm just adding brand new to my collection, and I believe over time guys, this collection is going to be worth a lot more. I'm going to go ahead leave it at that for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and it honestly helps if you don't mind smashing that like button. But I will see you guys at the next one.